Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Amazing Online Finds. Today I'm back with a new video and this time I have ordered something from Amazon. So let's unbox this and see what I have got. So this is Lenovo 600 Bluetooth silent mouse I have ordered. It is easy to carry, it has a very low profile design, and the best part is it does not require a connector. Now the laptop that I have, it's the Dell XPS 13 and it usually connects only with a C-type connector. So that's why I ordered this, because I wanted something which will seamlessly connect with my laptop. So it has Bluetooth 5.0 with swift pair connectivity, and it can connect and switch easily between the two devices. So that is the best part here. So let's unbox this and see the product. So inside the package there was the product mouse, 1.5 voltage battery which we have to insert in the mouse, and an information booklet of Lenovo. Let's see the information booklet. So they have given these pictures of how we have to open the upper cover and then insert the battery here. It is mentioned second number. Then it has a switches off and on, and the wheel which is there in the middle, it is for scrolling. And many other instructions are mentioned here. Okay, this is again the information booklet. This battery, here it is mentioned alkaline 15 ampere large size format AA 1.5 volts battery. And this is the mouse. Look at the color. The color is very premium. It is this silvery grayish color. It has this a little switch here for scrolling. This is the wheel, and as usual the left and the right buttons. And here there is this Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2 buttons, and currently if you can see it is in the off position. So let's open this. So gently you can open this upper flap, and here you can see we have to insert the battery. Now the battery they have already provided. So this is the battery. Let's unwrap the plastic. This is positive side and this is negative. You check the same on the cell. If you can see, this is minus, that is the negative side. This is the positive side. So positive, they are saying we have to insert it here. Okay, we have inserted. Now cover this flap. And once you turn on this, you can see there is this bluish color we can see here. That means now the Bluetooth is now the mouse you can use. Now you have to wirelessly connect this using Bluetooth in your device. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this mouse. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my videos whenever I upload. And I will paste the link of this product in the description box, as I have ordered this from Amazon. The price of this mouse, I have purchased it from Amazon and it costed me 1599, that is 1600 rupees. So I guess whenever there's a discount you can get some 120 200 rupees discount also, but for now I have bought this at a price of 1599. Okay, so let me know what do you think of this product, and I'll see you back in my next video. Till then, bye bye.